Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you the only way to connect your PS4 controller to your iPad in 2025. First, make sure your DualShock 4 controller is charged, so it doesn't power off during pairing. Your iPad also needs to be running iPad OS 13 or a newer version, ideally iPad OS 18, for the best connection. This ensures complete compatibility with the controller's features and modern games. To begin, grab your PS4 controller and locate the PlayStation logo button, which is the PS button and the share button. Press and hold both of these buttons together at the same time. You'll need to hold them for about 3 seconds. Keep an eye on the light bar on the top of your controller. It will start flashing white rapidly, signaling it's ready to pair. Now on your iPad, open the Settings application. Once in Settings, navigate to the Bluetooth section from the sidebar menu. Make sure your Bluetooth is toggled on if it isn't already. You should see DualShock 4 wireless controller appear under Other Devices. Simply tap on it and your iPad will connect to the controller. After tapping on DualShock 4 wireless controller, the light bar on your controller should stop flashing and turn a solid blue color. This solid blue light confirms a successful connection between your controller and your iPad. You can then try navigating your iPad's menus or launching a game to ensure everything is working perfectly, ready for your next gaming session. Should you encounter any issues with the connection, a simple restart of both your iPad and the PS4 controller often resolves the problem. If you need to unpair, just go back to your iPad's Bluetooth settings, tap the information icon next to the controller's name, and select Forget this device. Always keep your controller charged for uninterrupted gaming fun on your iPad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.